Game Dev Journey. Hey everyone, it's Rob here from Game Dev Journey. Welcome to episode 7 of my series promoting the Godot game engine and where you can learn how to use it. Godot version 4 is just around the corner and now is a great time to start learning how to use the engine. I found some Godot Geniuses to help you level up your Godot skills, so come and learn with me. Like the video if you enjoy it and subscribe if you want to support small creators like me. Mitch over at FinePointCGI is a software engineer with years of experience in the game industry. This makes his channel a great one to follow because you're getting real-world information from the source, as it were. On his channel, he delivers news on the gaming and programming industry and also tutorials for game programming and game development. His engine of choice is Godot, and he has a ton of excellent videos on all sorts of things that you didn't know were possible in Godot, like remote debugging, integrating NIM into Godot, and so on. If you're very technically minded and enjoy the software engineering approach to game development, then FinePointCGI is the channel for you, and I strongly suggest that you check it out. Tutemic is not a Godot tutorial channel per se. In fact, he only has one Godot video on his channel. But no list of great Godot tutorials would be complete without mentioning his video on good code architecture in Godot. It's a single video and it's over 7 hours long, so you could break that up into many much smaller viewings. I've had many comments that this is a great video and that everyone should check it out. The first comment on the video itself is from Benjamin from Heartbeast, so that's a pretty big endorsement. It's quality stuff, go and see for yourself. Irwin Rodriguez is another Spanish-speaking Godot tutorial maker, and to the non-Spanish speakers out there, do not let that dissuade you from visiting his channel and viewing his library of content. Remember that the code is all in English, and if you're already familiar with the engine itself, you'll be able to follow along quite easily. Irwin posts frequently, so he's actively making up-to-date content. This is definitely one to visit, so head over to the channel and give it a try. Mr. Taft Creates is another channel which has a great back catalogue of Godot tutorials. I say back catalogue because it doesn't look like he's made any new videos for a while, and so you will need to look through his body of work to find solutions to some of your problems. One set of videos which is really worth watching is his recorded live stream of the creation of a simple match 3 game in the Godot engine. This is a hugely popular genre of games, and you can learn a lot from these videos, which you can implement in your own game. It's certainly a channel that I would recommend visiting. The last channel on our list for today is that of Johnny Rouddro. His channel contains content which is exclusively Godot focused. The vast majority of it centers around how to implement a third-person shooter in Godot, so if this is something that you're working on and that you're looking for solutions or inspiration for, then you'll find something to help you here without a doubt. The back catalogue is quite extensive, so you'll not be limited in the material available. It's just a pity that it seems that Johnny has not posted in a while. That's all for this week. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.